and welcome to my channel. My name is Millie and today I'm going to demonstrate how to cast on using the thumb cast on method. We are going to need our materials, which will be our knitting needles and our yarn. I'm using a 4-weight yarn and a double point knitting needle for this demonstration. So to begin our cast on, we'll start by making a slip knot. So to make a slip knot, we are going to wrap our yarn around our fingers like that, and we have a loop, and then we are going to insert our fingers through the loop and pull that yarn through that loop. And we have a slip knot, and then we are going to pull the yarn to tighten that slip knot. And then we'll pick up our needle and insert it through the slip knot. So to make our first stitch, first we are going to separate our tail from our slip knot, and then we'll wrap our working yarn around our fingers like that, and we'll leave our thumb free, and then make sure you leave enough yarn here to work with. So we'll wrap our yarn around our thumb like that, and then we'll insert our needle front to back, and then we'll drop that stitch on the needle. So wrap your yarn around your fingers, and then scoop the yarn with your thumb, insert your needle front to back, and then drop that stitch. So wrap your yarn around your thumb and then insert your needle front to back, and then drop that stitch and tighten. So hold your yarn with your fingers like that, leave your thumb free, and then using your thumb, wrap this yarn around your thumb, and then you're going to insert your needle front to back and drop that loop on the needle, and you have a new stitch. So you will keep going and keep repeating this until you have the number of stitches that your pattern is calling for. And there you have your stitches, and now you're ready to begin working on your pattern. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, consider subscribing. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you may be notified every time I upload a new video. Until next time, happy knitting!